Hey everyone, welcome to today's discussion where we will be exploring the intricate details of establishing a robust legal foundation for your budding digital marketing agency. And that means delving into the process of forming a limited liability company, commonly known as an LLC. Now, let me preface by saying I am not a legal expert. Consider me more of your friendly guide on this journey. While I strongly encourage you to conduct your own in-depth research and, if necessary, consult with a professional, I am here to impart some valuable insights that can serve as a solid starting point for your understanding of the legal landscape surrounding entrepreneurship in the digital marketing realm. Launching a digital marketing agency is an exciting venture, but navigating the legal aspects is just as crucial for long-term success. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let us embark on this informative exploration together. From the fundamental concepts of forming an LLC to the potential advantages and considerations, we will cover it all. Remember, the legal structure you choose can have significant implications for your business, affecting everything from liability protection to taxation. And I'm here to shed light on those essential aspects. So, buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of legal frameworks for your digital marketing agency. Now, let us delve into the compelling reasons behind choosing the limited liability company or LLC structure for your digital marketing agency. The decision to offer an LLC presents a twofold advantage that can significantly impact the trajectory of your business. Firstly, let us talk about taxes. The LLC structure offers a nuanced approach to taxation, providing flexibility and potential advantages that can optimize your financial standing. Understanding the intricacies of tax benefits within an LLC framework is key to maximizing your bottom line and ensuring you keep more of your hard-earned revenue. Secondly, and perhaps equally important, is the crucial layer of protection against liabilities that an LLC affords. Picture this scenario. You are enthusiastically running a marketing campaign and unexpectedly things take a turn for the worse. Here is where the LLC acts as a formidable shield, creating a distinct separation between your business and personal assets. This separation is invaluable as it safeguards your personal wealth from the potential legal repercussions of a campaign gone awry. In the dynamic world of digital marketing, where unforeseen challenges can arise, the protective barrier provided by the LLC structure is like an insurance policy for your personal assets, offering peace of mind as you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of the industry. Facilitating the process of establishing your LLC can be made significantly smoother, and to achieve this, I highly recommend leveraging the services of a reliable platform such as InkFile. Not only do they guide you through the intricacies of setting up your limited liability company, but they also handle ancillary tasks like appointing a registered agent, ensuring that your business remains in compliance with legal requirements. For those keen on exploring this avenue further, you can conveniently find the link in the video description, offering a gateway to more comprehensive details. Personally, I have entrusted InkFile with all my filing needs, and I must say, the experience has been nothing short of seamless. From navigating the paperwork labyrinth to streamlining the formalities of appointing a registered agent, InkFile has consistently proven to be a reliable partner in the journey of establishing and maintaining a legally sound and well-structured digital marketing agency. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your entrepreneurial venture, check out the link in the description and discover how InkFile can be a valuable ally in your pursuit of business success. Now, you might be wondering, why go through all the trouble of creating a legal structure for your digital marketing agency? Well, think of it like building the foundation of a house. A solid legal foundation doesn't just offer stability, it provides a crucial layer of protection that is indispensable for the long-term success of your business. While it is true that you could navigate the process of establishing your legal structure on your own, opting for a service like InkFile is akin to having a skilled architect and construction team handle the complexities of building a foundation. Using a service like InkFile goes beyond just simplifying the process. It is about saving you valuable time and sparing you from the potential headaches. Just as you wouldn't construct a house without a solid foundation, navigating the legal landscape without the right tools and expertise can expose your business to unnecessary risk. InkFile serves as your partner in this endeavor, ensuring that the legal aspects of your digital marketing agency are not just a formality but a strategic investment in the stability and future growth of your entrepreneurial venture. So, consider it an investment in the longevity and resilience of your business, allowing you to focus on what you do best, driving your digital marketing agency to new heights of success. Alright, with your LLC squared away and your business partners on board, let us shift our focus to the next crucial aspect: time commitment. One of the beauties of running a digital marketing agency lies in the inherent flexibility it offers. Now, let us delve into the intricate balance of time management. Whether you are looking to dip your toes in the entrepreneurial waters with a modest commitment of 5 hours a week or ready to dive headfirst with an ambitious 80-hour work week, the choice is entirely yours. The flexibility of a digital marketing agency allows you to tailor your time investment to align with your personal goals, lifestyle, and the scale of your ambitions. This adaptability is a defining feature of the industry, enabling you to chart your own course and find the optimal balance between professional and personal commitments. As we navigate the terrain of time commitment, I will share insights into effective time management strategies, striking the right balance to ensure that your digital marketing agency not only thrives but allows you to maintain a healthy work-life equilibrium. So, buckle up as we explore the dynamic interplay between time and success in the ever-evolving landscape of the digital marketing realm. Distinguishing itself from a traditional brick-and-mortar store, digital marketing agency provides a liberating experience by granting you the autonomy to shape your own schedule. Say goodbye to the conventional 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. constraints. With a digital marketing agency, you have the power to hold your work hours in a way that seamlessly aligns with your lifestyle. This unparalleled flexibility emerges as a game changer in the entrepreneurial landscape and stands as one of the driving forces behind my profound passion for digital marketing. The ability to tailor your work hours is a transformative aspect that allows you to harmonize your professional and personal life in a manner that suits your unique preferences and priorities. This flexibility not only fosters a conducive environment for creativity and productivity, but also empowers you to navigate the ebb and flow of the digital marketing industry with agility. In the upcoming discussions, I will delve into the art of harnessing this flexibility effectively, sharing tips and strategies to ensure your work hours become a strategic asset, propelling your digital marketing agency towards sustained success in the ever-dynamic and innovative field. So, join me as we explore the boundless potential that flexible scheduling brings to the forefront of digital marketing entrepreneurial journey. There you have it. Foundational steps to launch your exciting journey into the dynamic world of digital marketing. From establishing the crucial LLC to thoughtful consideration of your time commitment and embracing the liberating flexibility that accompanies it. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a successful venture. If you found these insights valuable and are eager for more in-depth guides on navigating the nuances of digital marketing landscape, do not forget to show your appreciation with a thumbs up and ensure you are subscribed for a continuous flow of expert guidance. As we embark on this digital marketing odyssey together, future content will delve deeper into topics such as effective marketing strategies, client management, and staying abreast of industry trends. So, stay tuned for a wealth of knowledge designed to elevate your digital marketing game. Until our next exploration into the realms of marketing mastery, remember, happy marketing, and may your entrepreneurial journey be as vibrant and rewarding as ever-evolving world of digital marketing itself. This is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to build a thriving digital marketing agency, mastering niche specialization for long-term success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you until the next one.